This is going to be a short tutorial to kind of explain to you a little bit about modules and module positions. A lot of times when people first start out with their website, they're pretty good with editing, the event calendar or to edit a page, an article that already exists. The kind of page that that takes up the kind of area that takes up most of the page. Like when we go here on this particular page, we see that a lot of the information's right here, and I can just click this pencil icon once I'm logged in, or even do it from the back end under articles and kind of edit that pretty easily. But how in the world do I get over here to this position, and how do I edit this banner right here, and how do I get to those places? Are those editable? Am I able to do those? And I just want to encourage you that yes, in most of the sites, that depending on how much customization is done and what type of sites you have, most of those areas are editable by you, and it's in one simple position, and it's right in something that we call modules. And I'm going to log in here to the back end, and I just want to show you just real quickly modules. I'm going to select the state. You have some filters up here once you see Module Manager. Once I click this over here and I click Enabled, it'll just show a list of the modules that are actually enabled on the site. Now, all of these are assigned to one or more menu items. You can assign a module to one menu item so that it only shows up on one page, or you can assign a module to all the menu items, or you can assign a module to a couple menu items. So modules are very flexible, and the cool thing about modules is it gives you the ability to make your pages look independent of each other, because you can add really cool stuff on the modules. So for right now, what I want to do is I just want to make a quick module for you and show you how to do it. If you want to make a module and put anything on any place on a page, and you just want to paste a picture in there or some text, and you want to be real fancy about it, doesn't really have to have a whole lot of functionality, you just go to Module Manager and you click New. When you click New, I want you to look at this one thing right here. It says Custom HTML. Remember this. This is where you can put anything in here. You can paste code in here. You can put a picture in here. There are a lot of different things you can do with this. I'm going to click Custom HTML, and it's going to come up here, and I'm going to type in Test Module. And let's see, we want this to go onto our beliefs page. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the menu item. I want to make it on my right side. And every template's a little different, but you can see this here is on the right side. And I'm going to go to the right side right there. And then I want it to show up on my beliefs page. So I'm going to the main menu here, and I'm going to click beliefs. And then I will also, let's see, is there a side menu here? I want whatever I highlight here is going to, this module is going to show up when that particular menu item's clicked. So it gives you a lot of functionality, a lot of custom ability there to be able to assign things. So I'm going to assign it to our beliefs, and it's on the right side, and I want to just put in this is a test, yippee, and we want to put a picture in there. I don't know what pictures we have on this particular site, but let's take a look at this. A purple arrow, we'll insert it. We can make it a little larger. Probably will distort a little bit on us because it's not made to be much larger. But this is just for test purposes. And I have it show title yes, enabled yes, and I have it selected on this page. And so I hit apply, and now I go here to the front, and I click refresh, and now I have my test module here that showed up on the right side. Now you can see how this can give you a lot of flexibility. You can come in here and add a photo of a staff member or something else, and there are other modules too. Besides a custom HTML module, some of the modules will connect to components and give you functionalities from the components. For instance, there's a module for a giving thermometer that pulls from your donation component, so you can show how much has been given towards a certain campaign, and they can all be displayed in a module position. So modules are very powerful. And so this is just a brief overview on how modules work. You just make a new module and assign it to a menu item, and it shows up on that page. So hopefully that helps you out quite a bit, and we'll be talking more about some of the more specific modules in some future tutorials. But for right now, that's just a general overview. So talk to you soon, and have a good one.